Every single line will be drawn carefully and precisionally. The intersection point need to be paid attention. These points will make the structure clean and clear. The quality of each line must be maintained. Line need to be end cleanly. We also need to care about the angle between lines. The angle will show the depth of the drawing by drawing properly. To make for the design a highlight, we decide to add jaw with teeth into the design. This will make the concept outstanding. This detail will make the whole design consistently with the general design language. We have two jaw upper and bottom. That will make the design more balanced. Adding thick and bold outline for the sketch will help to emphasize the detail inside. After finishing the sketch, line art is very important. Line art will make everything clean and clear and obvious that. It will support a lot when we set to apply color on the design. The more precision of the sketch, the more accurate line art. Adding line panel will help the design more complex and have a good appearance. Final step of line art is outlining to emphasize the general shape of the design. Next process is coloring. In this stage, you will see the benefit of having a good line art. We use the selection tool to choose the area need to be filled. After filling plain color, we will add shading layer. Shading means which surface receive light and which surface don't receive light. In the ink section, we will explore more about how we adding armor to the inner frame. Thanks for watching.